How you doing, guys? I hope you are well. Merry Christmas. And if you're looking for a pasta dish, look no further because I've got a beauty for you. You can probably knock this out in about 15 minutes. Seriously, it's so beautiful. It really, really is. And I'm going to show you. Let's crack on. First, get your pasta water on. Salted water. Honestly, this pesto is so good. First, toast the almonds. This takes the pesto to another level. When toasted, add to a pestle and mortar. Also, you could do all this in a blender. Don't be afraid, get some good colour on those almonds, that's where the flavour's at. Now lightly grind. Next, add garlic, add sun-dried tomatoes to the board and slice. By slicing, this just makes life a lot easier when using the pestle and mortar. Add tomatoes to a pestle and mortar and grind to a paste. And add olive oil to loosen. Look at that, oozing with flavour. Also, make sure there's no chunks of garlic. Add Parmesan cheese as much as you want and mix to a paste. If it needs seasoning, add seasoning. At the end, add fresh basil, mix and put to one side. When the water is boiling, add your pasta. I'm using orecchiette. Other good ones are linguine, penne, rigatoni and fettuccine. Now cook the pasta. Also save some of the pasta water. This makes the pesto cling to the pasta better. When cooked, drain your pasta. To add extra flavour to the dish, add olive oil to a pan, add tomatoes and cook on high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes or until you've mixed the pasta. Add the pasta to a bowl, add that delicious pesto and mix. You can see the tomatoes have made a flavourful sauce with the olive oil. Add to the pasta, check for seasoning and mix. Finish with burrata, parmesan, almonds, olive oil and cracked black pepper. If you make it, you won't regret it. Fast, simple and delicious. You see how easy that was? Give it a go for Christmas. You will not regret it. Thanks, guys.